Now that we have punched our ticket to the World Cup, the FIBA World Cup that is, the work just becomes that much tougher for Coach Yang Yao and the Gilas squad.
The team won't only face stronger opponents, but the national team will also have to mind scheduling concerns with the PBA. And of course, there's always that Jordan Clarkson question. Dean Olivario tells us more.
After 16 long months, 6 home and away windows, One Nation will head once again to the World Cup. It's mission accomplished for Team Pilipinas, an achievement the basketball stakeholders deem as a collective effort.
This team united all the factions in Philippine basketball.
The stars aligned, a lot of people prayed for this, so andito tayo. So now we're looking forward to a new challenge, which is the World Cup itself. And we're all united. Yun ang importante. Hindi tayo watak-watak papunta ron. Buo tayo.
What Gilas has done, the phenomenon of Gilas, beyond participating in the actual tournaments or competition itself, is that it has united the country. It has united the basketball community here, and let it be that way. And we would like to make it as well an inclusive kind of participation. It's not just our group. I'm glad San Miguel is here supporting the effort, the whole PBA board, and the other members of this basketball community. And let's make it that way.
After breaking the 40-year drought in the world stage and getting one win in 2014, expectations are much higher for the number 31 Philippines this coming August. So the next step, planning the schedule of the preparation and the formation of the team.
So PBA, we need 6 months preparation, I guess, to make the top 4.
The preparations are expected to affect the PBA schedule, something the Board of Governors will tackle in a board meeting tomorrow.
After ng game, nag-usap na kami ni Coach Yang. Coach, really yung Jones Cup. Coach, isang buwan kami titigil. So, pag-usapan natin. So, bukas may board meeting, pag-uusapan lahat ng tungkol sa Gilas.
I know there will be a lot more sacrifices for the PBA. Sacrifice talaga kasi pag-change ng schedule also means also means that we will have difficulty in putting the teams together, playing together, consistency in play, and it has monetary consequences. Diba? So, but then that we'll all discuss, and there's a lot of openness.
For now, Coach Yang Yao prefers to let his team stay intact, unless, of course, Jordan Clarkson will be able to play for the Philippines.
I'm very happy with the 14 people that I've had. I'm happy with Andre Blatch. I'll be happier with Jordan Clarkson kung Pilipino siya.
Kung matsambahan natin si Jordan Clarkson, that's going to be the core of the team already.
Everybody's personal wish, everybody's that Jordan will be part of this team in the World Cup. We'll do our best to persuade them about Jordan's case, but probably the best approach would be a rather quiet one. Basta pag nandun siya, nangako si Yan kanina sa buong bansa na top 4 daw siya. Di ba yan? Pag nandun, siyempre.
Sa PBA yun, semifinals yun.
Mahirap talaga. Sige, questions from the floor.
Sa mga basketball ng Pilipinas, President Al Panlilio told SportsCenter Philippines that he wants Gilas to advance to the next round. And with the top 8 seeds announced earlier this week before the draw on March 16, some could not help but speculate on being grouped with Team USA.
Kung nandyan sila, di wala tayong magagawa. Di magpa-picture na lang din. But mas gusto ko yung meron tayong realistic chance na matsambahan natin.
At the end, MVP dares the country to dream higher.
Huwag tayong matakot, huwag tayong maging insecure. Biski naman tayo nanalo, success is never final, di ba? Because there will be another World Cup in 2023 where we have to compete. And if we fail, it is never fatal, di ba? That's not the end of Philippine basketball. What counts? It is the courage to continue.
For News 5, Lynn Olivario, we are One News.